And here are the folks who live at number 1102 Dogwood Lane, Suburbia, USA. Nat Fremont, age 35, a typesetter for the Daily News, and his wife Jennifer, who admits to being 29. A housewife.
Received the postcard you sent in from the Good Idea from a Good Friend mailer I left you? About residing your house.
Oh, yes, the mailer about that house on Dale Road.
That's us. In fact, that's us. We're residing the Franklin house and replacing the windows. I assume that you've been thinking about having your house resided too?
Well, to tell you the truth, my wife and I thought we might paint the outside of the house ourselves in our spare time next spring. And I'm not sure we can afford siding. But when we got your card, I figured, what the heck? Might as well look into the possibility of siding.
Excellent. Now, I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have, but first let me ask you a couple of questions.
Fine.
Great. Now, tell me, Matt, how much do you know about vinyl siding? Have you had any other people out to give you an estimate?
Well, no one yet. You're the first person I've contacted. Now, frankly, all I know about siding is my folks had aluminum siding put on their house in Pennsylvania a number of years ago.
Well, you'll be pleased to know that the vinyl siding I install has many advantages over aluminum siding that I'll be happy to explain. Tell me, Matt, how long have you lived in your house?
Well, only a few months. We moved in during the summer, but as you probably know, since you've been working in this area, the houses in this neighborhood are over 40 years old.
So I noticed. How soon do you think you'd like to have the outside done?
Well, as I said, my wife and I thought about painting it ourselves in our spare time next spring. We don't have a lot of money. Ideally, we'd like to have it done before the upcoming holidays. Jennifer's family will be... No, that's no good. I work late on Tuesdays.
Well, how about Thursday? It's the only other open date I have for the next couple of weeks. Seems like everybody wants to get their houses done before the holidays.
Looks like Thursday's fine.
Great. Now, what time is good for you?
Say about 6:30 or 7 o'clock.
Okay. Let's make it 6:45 Thursday. That way we'll still have some light to work with outdoors. I'll see the two of you then. In the meantime, I'm going to drop a little brochure in the mail for you. It's about selecting the right contractor to do the work on your home. I'll see you on Thursday.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
By the time you attempt to close.
Matt? Steve Miller, Suburban Home Remodelers.
Hi.
Hope I haven't arrived in the middle of dessert.
No, we're through with dinner. We were expecting you at this time. It's nice when someone shows up when he says he will. Come on in.
No, actually, I was hoping we could take advantage of what little sunlight we have left to take a walk around the house together first. Is your wife free to join us?
Well, how's this for timing? Jennifer, this is Steve Miller from Suburban Home Remodelers. Jennifer?
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
this is professional vinyl siding contract. Wow, that's a pretty impressive business card. Oh, I guess you'll be wanting this back, huh?
Actually, it's a lot more than just a business card. It's sort of like a security blanket for the two of you.
I don't get it. Looked like a regular plastic credit card to me.
Well, I'll tell you all about it a little later on. Why don't we take a look at the house first? All right. Maybe you better get some coats.
Right.
I'm just going to take some quick notes and measurements on this.
All right.
Estimate sheet. Let's just take a look at the front while we're out here. Now, see where all the gutters are coming down? Probably means the soffit and fascia are rotten and have to be replaced in addition to the siding. I think it takes care of the front. Why don't we take a look at the side?
All right.
Can you believe it? I think it was once a nice, clean white. I've seen a lot of asbestos that's turned that sort of dingy gray. See all this discoloration? Not going to get that with vinyl at all. Also, vinyl's a lot safer. You know how people are concerned about asbestos nowadays. Oh, see, you have some toys up there. Do you have children?
Yeah, Kathy, 7-year-old, she's at a birthday party tonight. And we're expecting another one in March.
Ah, that's nice. We have 3. 2 boys and a girl.
Oh, that's great.
Well, let's see. Well, it certainly hasn't retained the color very well, has it? You're not going to get that with vinyl siding. Ah, look at this. Okay. How easily asbestos breaks. Now, you're not going to get that with vinyl. Vinyl won't chip, it won't dent, it won't break. Matt, want to give me a hand? Sure. Take a quick measurement here. All right. Get down here. Nice house here.
Oh, thank you for working on it.
That's quite a handsome scene. I take it someone here likes camping?
Oh, we both do. Matt and I used to do a lot of hiking and camping before Kathy was born.
Yeah, Jennifer painted that picture.
You're kidding. Hey, that's terrific. I really admire someone with talent like that. Would it be okay if we talked in here?
I don't see why not. Like to sit on the couch?
No, I think it'd be best if the two of you sat on the couch. That way, if you don't mind, I can use the coffee table to show you some of the interesting things I brought along.
Okay.
Would it be all right if I move the chair over?
I got it for you.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you.
Would you like some coffee or something to drink?
No, I think I'm fine. Now, let's see. You heard about our company from our mailer.
Right, we got one of your folders. I think something about a good neighbor suggests suburban home remodelers. We found it in the front door of our house, and I think your business card was in it.
Yeah, with a reply card to send for more information.
Oh, that's right. We were working on the Franklin's house around the corner. We thought we'd introduce ourselves to some of the neighbors who might also be in the market for vinyl siding. Did you actually talk to the Franklins? Or go over and look at the house?
Well, not really. We don't know the people who live there. In fact, we know very few people in this neighborhood at this point, other than our next-door neighbors. We just moved in here a few months ago.
Actually, we made it our business to go past the house one day when we were walking the dog, and all we really did was look at the front of the house from a distance.
Did you like what you saw?
Pretty much. I'm not sure if I like the white.
Well, I can offer you the same premium quality bird vinyl siding that you saw in the Franklin's house in several different colors. How about you, Matt? Did you like the white?
Quite frankly, I've never heard of bird or bird vinyl siding, and I'm not 100% convinced I want it on my house in any color at this point.
I'm not surprised to hear that. Many people I talk to have never heard of any manufacturer of vinyl siding. Maybe the problem is, bird's only been around for about 200 years.
200 years? Are you kidding me? No way vinyl siding can be that old.